Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Dodge Challenger key fob. First, you will need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. It is also a good idea to have a soft cloth handy to protect your key fob from scratches. Make sure you are working on a clean, well-lit surface to avoid misplacing any tiny components. Next, locate the small release button on the side or back of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then gently pull out the metal emergency key. This action reveals a small slot or seam where the two halves of the key fob meet, which is crucial for the next step in opening it up. Now, carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into the slot where you just removed the emergency key. With a gentle twisting motion, begin to pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Apply steady, even pressure to avoid damaging the plastic casing. You should hear a slight click as the halves begin to separate. Once the key fob is open, carefully note the orientation of the old CR2032 battery before removing it. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Then, align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly together until they click securely into place. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its slot until it locks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.